What's up, everybody? Hope you all are having a fantastic day as always. If it's your first time on my channel, consider subscribing for more videos like this. Baby just ticking along here. I'll show you guys how many miles it's got. 1,824.5 miles, which is not, wait, oh, I messed up. It has 2,468 miles. My bad. That was the trip odometer. But that's nothing for this bike. I definitely plan on putting this bike up to at least 20,000 miles. If I gotta change the engine at some point, that's what I'll do. But I bought it as is, like this, with this sweet Yoshimura exhaust. Let me rev it for you guys. Guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Peace.